Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to get approved for a Monzo loan. So, let's get started. To be approved for a Monzo loan, you first need to meet some basic eligibility requirements. You must be a UK resident with a UK address, 18 years or older, and have an active Monzo current account. If you don't have a Monzo account yet, simply sign up through the app. Next, Monzo will check your eligibility and affordability. This includes reviewing your income, credit history, and other financial details to ensure you can repay the loan responsibly. To start the process, open the Monzo app and go to the Home section. Scroll down to find the loan option, then tap Get a Loan with Monzo. Monzo will first run a soft credit check to show potential loan offers. This will not affect your credit score. If you proceed with the application, Monzo will perform a hard credit check, which will appear on your credit file. As long as you meet the income and affordability requirements, your loan application will be approved directly within the app. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.